There are lots of different ways to make homemade yogurt, but I'm going to show you the easiest way if you've got a Pure or Pure Plus yogurt maker. Whenever you're making yogurt, the first step is always to sterilize all of your equipment and tools before you get started. Homemade yogurt is so simple, you only need 2 ingredients. We're going to use full cream milk and of course a starter culture. The capacity for the Pure Yogurt Maker is 1.5 litres and the capacity for the Pure Plus Yogurt Maker is 2 litres. To get started, add your milk to a pot. We're going to use the heat and hold technique, which helps to denature the proteins and aids thickening of the yogurt. Gently heat the milk to 82 degrees Celsius and then hold it there for at least 2 minutes and up to 10 minutes. For the sake of time and ease, I'm just going to hold this for 2 minutes today. To prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom and boiling over, make sure that you whisk it every now and then. Once you've completed the heat and hold, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool right down to below 42 degrees Celsius. Once the milk is cooled right down, then you can add your starter culture. You'll know how much to add by reading the instructions on your packet. Today we're going to use the Yo Gourmet starter culture, which has 3 bacterial strains, giving you a great variety. This pack features Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus thermophilus, and Lactobacillus acidophilus. This is available online through our website. Whisk your yogurt culture through the milk and pour it into your glass yogurt container or your ceramic yogurt containers if you're using the Pure model. Put the lid on the jars and then you can place them into the base of the yogurt maker. Fill up the base with water up to the tall line indicator, and then you can put the cover on and punch in the settings. For this yogurt, we're going to set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius and the time to 24 hours. Then press confirm to start incubation. Choose a time that suits your needs, noting that the shorter the time, the more milder the taste, and the longer the time, the tangier the taste and the more rich in probiotics. You can incubate anywhere from 6 to 24 hours. For the best probiotic outcome, we recommend incubating for 24 hours. When the incubation time is up, remove the yogurt from the machine and place it into the fridge to chill and set for at least 6 hours. So that's a really easy, simple and effective way to make homemade yogurt if you've got the Pure or the Pure Plus makers. You should get really great results every time, and if you're looking for a starter culture for yourself, then head to our website, we'll put the link below. We've got loads more yogurt recipes on our blog, so check that out, and also let us know how you're going on your homemade yogurt journey in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, and if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.